European Union is installing gas prices market caps. Binance is deploying a new $1 billion fund for cryptos, and we have Black Friday's offers. So stay tuned if you want to learn more about all this. Katching Secrets Insiders, this is Bernie and live here, and we're talking about the news, what's going on in the financial world, in the stocks space, in the crypto space. I will give you a short and sweet update. First of all, the European Union is deploying gas price cap, so that should look like this: 275 euro per megawatt hour. That means the highest point that we've seen was 340 euro, and currently we are at 180. What does that mean for us? That means it's a market disruption, in my opinion. So it is they're just taking out unusual normal market functions, and we will see where this is landing. I think that's not so a good sign, but let's see where this is going to. Another thing is Hyperloop, so the company of Elon Musk deploying or developing this train that is going under the earth. Hyperfast is going on the stock exchanges, is launching via a SPAC. What is a SPAC? An SPAC. SPAC is a company, basically virtual company, that is just there to raise funds from investors. So we're seeing that maybe by coming up by Elon Musk's Hyperloop company. Then we have Corestate, a company from Europe. They are filing bankruptcy. Huge real estate company, and it seems the management board no longer believes that the success of restructuring is successful. So we may see another real estate company filing bankruptcy. It's the third biggest, the third big real estate company that may file bankruptcy. Another interesting thing I came across is container shipping costs. This is the graph. This is on Reddit, an entry from the origin is the Daily Shot Call. This is a newsletter, and we see here the container prices are going up, went up until 12,000, and now they are close to 2,000 again. Very interesting development, in my opinion, that we're seeing here. And yeah, let's see where this is heading. That tells me that the supply chain is getting back to normal. Another thing, Black Friday is approaching. So Black Friday, we have offers at Katching Secrets in that way that we are launching, we're selling vouchers. So how does it work? You are purchasing a voucher worth 97 euro, so you get a value of 97, but you pay 47 only. So we're just giving you vouchers. You can purchase as many vouchers as you like. So if you want to purchase 10 and you want to have a present for your family, your friends, and each of them get the voucher worth 97 euros. So imagine you can use it for all of our services. So it doesn't matter if you purchase a course, it doesn't matter if you purchase a one-on-one session, our 8-week programs. So additionally, we are working on our website where you will find all our programs. If you have any questions about the programs, then comment below, please. All right, what else going on? Let's move to the crypto space. Afterwards, we will have a look on our pie. So in the crypto world, Binance is deploying $1 billion fund to basically to compensate for anything that's happening in the crypto space, and this fund will be in BUSD. So they say they are transparent, and they have issued the Binance wallet where the coins are in or not the Binance USD wallet where the coins are saved into. And what I did now is they say 1 billion, they want to stock that up to 2 billion. And what I did now is I was looking on CoinMarketCap, and just for interest, I looked up the market cap. So the overall supply, let's make it a bit bigger, of BUSD that's available. So that's 22 billion. And they plan to set aside 2 billion, which means just roughly a tenth of the overall available BUSD should be saved in their fund. So that's a thing that it's pretty interesting that they have a tenth of all available BUSD available. And so what's the difference between BUSD and FTT? So FTX also had their own token, but BUSD is audited by a company called Paxo, and this company is audited by the Federal Reserve. How's it called? Federal Reserve Authority. So they are audited. You can have a look on for yourself on paxos.org. So this is the company. This is Pax. You have Pax Gold, and if you go here to products and stablecoin and payments, or products and BUSD, you see exactly how this is regulated, who is regulating this. So it is the New York State Department on Financial Services. And that ensures that every dollar paid in is so that's equivalent. You can also download a financial report there. Final thing from the crypto space, Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of FTX, is still speaking at events, and the community goes crazy. They say put the guy into jail. Why isn't he into jail? He will be speaking at the Dealbook Summit next Wednesday. So let's see where this is going. Is he really speaking? Because I mean, in my personal opinion, he must go to jail, not speak at events for doing what he did with frauding people. Another thing I wanted to mention again, follow us on TikTok. Catching Secrets 1 is our username. So just search for Catching Secrets 1 on TikTok. There we will be available for you. And finally, we have our Pi. So again, we have some new messages. If you don't know what I'm talking about, what is a Pi? What is Trading 212? We have a challenge. We have a 5-day Invest Yourself to Freedom with a Pi challenge hosted on YouTube. So just look up the playlist in our YouTube channel, search for Catching Secrets, and there you will find it. So here is our Pi. It is currently down 7% compared to the S&P 500, which is the reference. This is an index consisting of 500 companies, biggest companies in the US. And this orange line here is where we started with our Pi, and it's constantly being better than the S&P 500. So now we are at -7, whereas the S&P is at -15. So we're constantly improving against the S&P 500. All right, next week is investing time again in our Pi. I wish you an amazing week, a profitable week, and see you very soon. I would say take the Black Friday offer. So go to catchingsecrets.com, our website, and there you will find the Black Friday offer. And yeah, see you next week. Catching. Bye-bye.
Please be aware, we are no financial advisors. We do not provide any advice. We only share our experience, and our results are not typical. If we mention any stocks, funds, and other type of investments, it is for educational and illustrational purposes only. Most people are unable to achieve similar results to ours. If you want to achieve similar results, you have to commit yourself to systemize, to learn, and to stick to the rules.